Even the monkey sometimes falls from the tree. If I believe in you and you believe in me, oh, there is nothing we can't do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Jump in the ocean of your dreams and drink your fill. You can move mountains with the sheer force of your will. Your rainbow's waiting for you just beyond the hill. 'Cause you were born to be great. I know, I know, I know. I said I believe in you. Even after all that we've been through, you know that I believe in you. And I will never stop, oh no, 'cause I believe in you. I sure watch. I think I'll say it again. Well, don't sweat the small stuff, child. Just do the best.
Still don't see why we just don't eat the Cheetos.
Because this is like an annual thing that we do every week once we get our allowance.
But I'm hungry.
Oh, you ain't good breakfast.
Okay, but I'm still hungry.
We'll get you something to eat.
Do the honors.
All right, guys, be still. And no Cheeto fights this week, all right?
Still rather.
Yeah.
Come on, just dump the bag.
Dump the bag, Dodo Brain. Dude, Larry, just remember, don't save it for yourself.
Okay, that's it.
Right, man. Get over it. You guys always picking on me. Everybody get at me. Oh, you're coming now, guys. It won't come if you're not still.
Farted.
Here they come!
Oh, one of them just pooped on me.
I feel like I'm getting mashed. Oh, man! I mean, this could be bad for our health. I think I'm getting a fever. Oh my gosh.
So you hosed us?
Actually, I was trying to help.
Well, thanks.
I'm so sorry. What on earth were you doing?
Feeding the birds.
There's not much to do in Elma.
Oh.
Who are you anyway?
Oh, I'm the new teacher.
No way.
I'm here from England for a semester on a teaching exchange. I guess I didn't tell you.
Nobody tells us anything. There's two classes, little kids and big kids.
Oh, I'm teaching the big kids.
No way.